Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about this Pittsburgh 9-piece combination wrench set. This is the lowest price wrench set that Harbor Freight carries. And it's $9.99, and it comes in metric and standard. And we're going to do an unpackaging of this, kind of take a look at each of these. Now I'm just going to quick over to Harbor State's website, okay? And this is it here. Here's a current price of it, all right? It comes in standard or metric. Now, if you look, it's comparing it to the Husky. The Husky is Home Depot's line, so go to Home Depot, okay? And there's that Husky line. Husky, I've heard a lot of good things about Husky. That's got cabinets and tools and everything. So that's what I compare it to. Whether Husky is better than Pittsburgh, I don't know. But okay, we'll go through this. We'll unpackage this. So it looks like there's this little thing we need to cut here, right? Break that seal. And it does come off. Well, that's in there good. There we go. All right. So here's the wrenches. Now, one thing about Pittsburgh is you want to look at each one of these. And the thing about these too is that you got a lifetime warranty on them. Okay, right there. So if it does break or deforms, you bring it back to the store and get a new one. Now, when you're looking through these, obviously you got the Icon line, which is the higher line that Harbor Freight carries. But these you kind of want to watch. Now, if you have a few, this goes for all our open-end wrenches. Look to the store, look and compare a few of them, because sometimes some of them are got a little deformity to them. And these all look pretty good. Okay. Just kind of look at the packagings, so these are all look good. Like I say, where do you use a wrench set like this? If you're just a guy that doesn't use them that much, you may want to throw a set in your car, maybe your ATV. This is probably a set you want to get. All right. So these all look pretty good. Do you use Pittsburgh? Are you a mechanic that uses them? This is the only set I have this. All my other open-end wrenches are actually Craftsman, because I've had them for several years and I haven't had a problem with them. So this is actually the first Pittsburgh set I have bought. They all look good. All right. Okay, so there it is. If you're looking for a really cheap set, $9.99, Harbor Freight. Thanks for watching.